Cheese. What's your name?
James.
James what?
James Harvey.
Yeah, and how old are you?
2.
2? Yeah, you're 2. And where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
Yeah, and what's your birthday?
It's 18.
Yeah, and why are you so cute?
With my nose.
Oh yeah. And James, are you having fun on your vacation?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing that you love?
I love you and my love. And my speaker comes. Speakers.
Speakers, huh?
Who's your favorite superhero?
Surai.
Who's your favorite superhero? What's your favorite comic book? Is it Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good.
You sit next to him.
My nose.
It's right there. We're gonna have Mommy fix it. Mommy's better.
Yeah.
Let's stop playing with it.